Hello students, good morning to all. Hope you all are fine. Students, in our last class, we discussed about circulatory system, right? Transportation in animal. Is it children? What are the different parts of circulatory system? Did you remember that one? What all are there? Okay, say together. What are the different parts of circulatory system? Yes, blood, then blood vessels and blood vessels and heart. Okay, so students, these are the three different parts of circulatory system. What are they? Blood vessels and heart. I think hope you all understood about blood and blood vessels. Is it children? Can you say the different components of blood? Yes, absolutely. What are the children? Just remember. Okay, after that we can learn about the next. So what are the different components, children? It is, yes, plasma, liquid part, then WBC, then RBC and platelets. Very good. Let's check the different types of blood vessels. What are they? Oxygenated rich blood, that is carrying vein. No, it is artery. Very good. Artery. Then deoxygenated blood or carbon dioxide rich blood, which is carrying veins. Okay. And third blood vessel is, third blood vessel, that is very tiny blood vessel. It is connecting both artery and vein, which is what, children? Yes, absolutely correct. Capillaries. Okay. So, three different types of blood vessels are artery, vein and capillaries. Okay. Hope you all understood about that. But now I am going to teach you another type of transporting system. What is it? That is heart. Okay. So, blood and blood vessels we finished in our last classes. Now, I am going to teach you about heart. We know that heart, it is a very important organ in our body. Right? Commonly, we are saying it is a pumping organ. Right, children? It's pumping what, children? Yes, blood and other substance. Very good. Okay. So, what is heart, children? We know that heart is an organ, right? And which beats continuously in our body, right? Where it is located, children? Heart is located in our chest cavity. Heart is located in our chest cavity, right? And what is the main function of heart? Now we know that what is heart and where it is located, right, children? And what is the main function of this heart? Commonly, we are saying it is pumping the blood. Is it, children? Actually, it acts as a pump for the transport of blood, which carries other substances with it. Students, we can say like that heart is a pumping organ in our body. Okay, it is a pumping organ. Right. So now we can understand what is heart, where it is located and what is the important function of heart. Right, children? Let's check the structure of heart or section of heart. We can check it. Students, when we are checking the different parts of the heart, you can easily identify from the picture. Okay, look at the picture. You can see two upper chambers on the heart. Two upper chambers. Okay, that we called arteria. Two upper chambers we called arteria. When it is only one, we have to say atrium. Singular is atrium. Okay. And two lower chambers also that we call ventricle. Okay. So, we can say like that upper chambers we called arteria. Two chambers. And two chambers on lower side that we call ventricle. Totally how many chambers has? That is 4 chambers. Right, children? 2 on upper side and 2 on lower side. Upper side chambers we call arteria. Okay, arteria. And lower chambers we call ventricle. Okay, clear all of you? So students, let's try to draw a heart. Okay, section of a heart is very important to draw how to learn. Okay, because it will come for your exam. So here I am drawing. Listen carefully. We have, I already told, we have 2 chambers. Is it 2 chambers? No, 4 chambers, right? 2 chambers on upper side and 2 chambers on the lower side. Okay. So here I am drawing 2 chambers. Then here I have to draw like this. Vein. Okay. 2 veins. Then this goes to like this. And it is not up to the mark, but you have to try to draw. Okay. Then like this and this. But you should draw nicely, okay? It is not up to the mark I am drawing. Okay, then here I have to draw like this. Okay, it is a type of simple heart I am going to explain. That's why I draw here. But you should draw nicely, okay? It is not up to the mark. Let's check how blood is passing through the heart. Students, this bicapsid and tricapsid, about this one you will learn in your higher classes. These things that is separating upper and lower chambers. Okay, from here we can understood this is a upper chamber. Okay, these two are upper chambers and these two are lower chambers of heart. What are the upper chambers we call? Yes, absolutely correct. We called it as a atrium, right? And this also atrium, right children? And this part, this is left atrium. Okay, this side is left. Okay, when we are drawing this heart, this part is left side, is it children? So it is a atrium. Okay, but this one is ventricle. Lower chamber we call ventricle, left ventricle, right? And what about this children? It should be right ventricle. Okay, so now we got four chambers. What are they? Right atrium, then left atrium, right atrium, then left atrium, then down right ventricle and left ventricle. Clear all of you? Okay, fine. Did you remember which one is carrying oxygenated blood to the heart and which one is carrying deoxygenated blood to the heart? Yes, what it is? Blood vessels, right? That's correct. What are the types of blood vessel, children? Artery and vein, right? Artery, which is carrying oxygenated blood, right? But vein, that is carrying deoxygenated or carbon dioxide rich blood. Okay, let's check which is the artery and vein from this heart. Okay, so students, carbon dioxide rich blood from the body cells that enter to the right atrium, and it moves to the right ventricle. Okay, it moves to the right ventricle. Then this carbon dioxide rich blood that moves to the lungs through the pulmonary artery. Okay, we know that one exceptional case we learned that pulmonary artery that carrying, in our last class we discussed pulmonary artery which is carrying carbon dioxide blood to the lungs for the purification. So from the right ventricle, this carbon dioxide rich blood moves to the lungs through the pulmonary artery. Okay, pulmonary artery. Clear all of you? Then after the purification of blood, this oxygenated blood moved to the left atrium through the pulmonary vein. Okay, through the pulmonary vein. Clear? So pulmonary vein, it is also one exceptional cases. It is a vein, but it is carrying oxygenated blood from the lungs to the left atrium. Clear? From the left atrium, this oxygenated blood, it passes to the left ventricle. This oxygenated blood that is moving to the all parts of body through one artery that we call aorta. Okay, that we call aorta. Clear all of you? In your textbook, they are mentioning about the labeling the parts of heart only, but no deep. But you should understand what is this, what is the right chambers, what is the left chambers, and what is the function of a pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein. So this is just a simply I explained. In detail, we have to explain in our higher classes only. But you should understand how to draw the diagram and how to label it. Clear all of you? So students, I am going to ask one question. What will happen if the blood-rich oxygen and blood-rich carbon dioxide mix with each other? Yes, I know you know the answer because one partition we can see here, right? This partition which helps for avoiding the mixing of carbon dioxide rich blood and oxygen rich blood. Okay, students, this is one activity. All should have to draw the diagram in your notebook and label the parts. Today's topic quiz. How many times I use the word atrium? So all should have to answer me within 1 hour, and more about the transportation in plants we can learn in our next class. So catch you later. Thank you.